So let's talk about the Lab Admin Panel. First of all, we have to provide email and password like here. Then we can simply sign in button. After signing successfully, we can come to the dashboard of the SharpTester Lab Admin Panel. So here in dashboard, we can see informative dashboard, report details, report types, total reports in, print the reports, user feedbacks. And here also we can see a chart of income of the week. Then there are also user management pane. In that pane, we can see registered users, how much they have any blocked users and active users. Likewise, we can get information from this dashboard. Then we can go to the user management. In user management, there have three tabs. First one is add new users. Then in add new users, we can add users to the Firebase backend. In here, we have to provide those kind of information to create a user. Suppose I want to create a user like this. Username is suppose D98. Then I provide district as Colombo and province as Western North, same as like here. Then I want to provide telephone as like this. Then my height is we have to provide height in feet. So I provide my height as 6.7. Also my blood group is A positive. Then address will be Adukka. Then province also same as here. In here I provide my mail as D99 at gmail.com. In here I have to put my weight. I put 89 in kilograms. Also my birthday will be 20. Okay, so we filled my details. Then we have to click the add user button. In here, there's notification user unsuccessfully. Age should be a numeric value. So in here, age should be in integer values. That's why that error occurred. So I put simply 7. Then we click add user. So after that, we can see user successfully. Every time we created a user, we have to log out. We have automatically logged out from the admin panel. So we should log in again. So that's about the adding new users. Then the next pane is manage users. We can see all the added users in here. In here, we can manage users by editing their details. We can block unblock them. Also, we can view their details like here. Also, we can remove them from our database. In here, this is the this is my latest created account. So I'm going to remove from the database. So simply I click the remove button. Then we can get notification like this, user remove. That's about the managing users. So next pane is payment. In here we can see payment from the users. So also we can send a mail to them if we want to ask from the payments and clarify things from them, we can simply put a message in here and click the send button. So that's about the send mail. So also we can view the user from this button. That's about the user management. Then we can go to the report management. In here, we can add new reports. Also, suppose we want to add sugar as a report type, so we can enter the operator name is admin's name, type name is sugar or some. It's up to you. Then we can simply provide a report icon, and we have to provide metrics and their value type. Suppose if we know that sugar has a hemoglobin count, so metric is hemoglobin, then we can number as the hemoglobin count value type. So like that, we can provide up to 4 metrics. Then filling those things, we can click the add report type button to add the report type to the database. Then in managed report types, we can simply see existing report types likewise, like in here. We can see blood cell, fasting blood sugar, lipid profile, and those we can see the report types which we had. Simply in here, we can edit those report types, deactivate them from click here. Also, we can activate the deactivated one. Also, simply we can remove them from the database. Also, we can search the report type by in the names. Likewise, we can see blood word included in those 2 report types. Also, we can download the file report type XML file from the from clicking this button. So that's about the managing report types. Then the next one is send a report. In here, we have to, first of all, we have to select a report type. I'm going to select blood cell as a report type. Then next we have to select a user. In here, I'm going to use nilme256. So after that only we can provide the details to send the report. Then we have to provide red blood cell count. I'm going to add the red blood cell as 150, then white blood cell count as 120, then platelets count as 12,500, hemoglobin count as 45. So we can in here we can provide any notes. I'm going to provide note as page. Then we can click the send reports to the send the report to the user. So we can, if success report sending success, we can get this notification. That's about the report sending. So let's go to the send reports. In here we can see send reports to the users. Here also we can search reports by names. Also in this using this button we can download the report XML document. We can view reports and we can remove from them from Firebase. So that's about the report management. Then the next tab is company payments. In here, we know that this Shraptester Lab Admin Panel is controlled by the DTM solution Web Admin Panel. Simply, we know it as company admin panel. For the usage, we have to pay monthly payment to the DTM solution. For that, we have to use this payment gateway, but right now we didn't provide it as a payment gateway. Simply we provide it as only a including data to the Firebase. So I'm going to provide the operator name as RCD Mandana. Then we can choose the payment method as American Express. Then we can choose the payment month as December. So we can show you are going to pay for December of 2023. Amount is simply we provide default amount is 150 1,500. After that, we can click here to pay. Payment record read successfully. In the future we are going to add payment gateway to this lab admin panel and the app. So that's about the payment. Then the next one is payment history. In here we can see payment history records. Just 1 second ago, we payment to the monthly payment to the DTM solutions. This is it. So that's about the company payments. So next one is about us. In here, this is about about us page. DTM solution we are, and there are details and email, fax, phone numbers, things. Then the next one is settings. In here also there have in the settings tab we can see 3 tabs, sub-tabs. First one is profile. In here this is the profile details of Ernst Navinna. So then they have notification tab. They have settings, so we can change it according to ourselves. Then the other one is security. In here we can change our password. Then they have two-factor authentication. Right now we didn't implement this facility. In the future we are going to implement this facility. So this one is also right now not available. In the future we are going to implement those two facilities. So that's about the Shraptester Lab Admin Panel. Finally, we can change our dark theme to light theme from this button. Then we can simply log out by clicking this button. So that's about the Shraptester Lab Admin.